Are you gifting your home? Do you know how to transfer ownership? Often, a quitclaim deed is used to gift real estate. However, due diligence is imperative. We can help ensure a straightforward transfer. Simply sign up to our app and we will connect you to a dedicated lawyer in your state. At a minimum, your lawyer will consult with you and review your property deeds, determine recording costs, and prepare your deed for transfer. Additional precautions may need to be considered when multiple family members are involved. Modest compensation is required for your quitclaim deed to be valid, and your deed should be notarized. A lawyer can help you ensure your home transfers to your loved one without a hitch or hidden costs. Your membership provides legal representation at a 25% discount on your lawyer's rate. Hiring a lawyer may sound expensive, but with our mobile app and for less than $1 a day, we open the door to experienced lawyers and the justice system. A lawyer can be the key to a happy home. Take 5 minutes to sign up and join the millions we already empower across North America. LegalShield. Find your justice.